and welcome to a brand new episode of English with Farnaz. I'm Farnaz.
And I'm Iman. Today, we're excited to dive into a topic perfect for beginners, talking about your daily routine. Whether you're at an A1 or A2 English level, this episode will guide you step by step to describe your day from morning to night using simple, everyday phrases. You'll learn how to talk about waking up, eating breakfast, going to work, relaxing, and even winding down for bed. Stay with us, because by the end, you'll feel ready to chat about your routine in natural English.
Absolutely. And if you're eager to improve your speaking, listening, and vocabulary skills in a fun and easy way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. We release fresh lessons every week to help you grow your English step by step. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Subscribe today. And let's get started on this exciting journey together.
Let's kick off with the morning. Every day begins with waking up, doesn't it? A great way to say it is, I wake up at 7 a.m. Try saying that with me. I wake up at 7 a.m. Awesome job. You can adjust it. Say I wake up early if you love mornings. Or I wake up late on weekends if you enjoy sleeping in a bit.
After waking up, it's time to freshen up. You can say, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Or try this, I get ready for the day. That phrase get ready means preparing yourself, like taking a shower or picking out clothes. For example, I take a quick shower and get dressed in my favorite jeans.
Breakfast is a big part of the morning. What do you usually eat? I often have cereal with milk and a banana. You can say, I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Other simple ideas. I eat toast with jam, or I drink tea and eat an egg. Keep it easy and natural. For breakfast, I have yogurt and fruit.
And if you're in a hurry, I grab a quick breakfast, or I skip breakfast sometimes. Skipping means not eating it. Now, here's a fun challenge. Tell us in the comments what you eat for breakfast. We love reading your answers and might even respond to some.
Next up, heading to work or school. You might say, I go to work by car, or I take the bus to school. Other options. I walk to work if it's nearby, or I ride my bike to the office. If you're working from home, I work from home, so I start my day at my desk with a cup of coffee.
During the morning, you might have tasks or classes. Try this. I have a meeting at 9 a.m., or I study English in the morning. To describe your actions, I check my emails first thing. First thing means right at the start of your day. You could also say, I make a to-do list to stay organized.
Loving these practical phrases? If you want more episodes like this to boost your confidence, subscribe now. Our next lesson dives into talking about your weekend plans, perfect for daily conversations. Hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of English learners.
Now, let's move to the afternoon. After lunch, the day gets busy. You can say, I have lunch at noon, or I eat a salad for lunch. At work, in the afternoon, I finish my tasks or your jobs or things to do. Or try, I take a short break to stretch my legs and get some fresh air.
Relaxation is key too. After work, I relax at home. You might say, I watch a movie or I read a book to unwind, means to relax after a busy day. For staying active, I go for a walk in the park, or I do some stretching exercises.
Let's talk about family time. I spend time with my family in the evening, or I cook dinner with my parents. For dinner, I have dinner at 7 p.m. Simple examples. We eat rice and chicken for dinner, or I prepare a quick meal with vegetables.
Evenings are great for hobbies. In the evening, I listen to music or I chat with friends on the phone. Chatting means having a casual talk. If you're learning English, I practice English every evening with a podcast like this one.
As the day winds down means slows down, I prepare for bed. You can say, I brush my teeth again, or I read a few pages of a book before sleep. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m., or I get a good night's sleep to feel refreshed tomorrow.
That covers your whole day. Practice describing your routine. Start with, I wake up at and go through morning, afternoon, and evening. Say it out loud a few times to build your speaking skills. Feel free to share your routine with us in the comments.
Let's add a little more detail. Maybe you have a favorite part of the day. My favorite time is morning because I love the quiet. Or I enjoy evenings because I relax with my family. Try making your own sentence and practice it.
And if you travel to work, I leave home at 8 a.m. or I arrive at work by 9 a.m. Small details like these make your English sound more natural. Keep practicing with us.
Wow, we've packed so much into this episode. If this has helped your English journey, please subscribe to English with Farnaz for more beginner-friendly lessons on daily life topics. Like this video, and let us know in the comments. What's one thing you do every afternoon? We read every comment and love connecting with you. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next episode.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. Keep practicing, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.